a special Thanksgiving feast today. And since you're such a special friend, Blue and I want you to come. Will you help us get ready? Great! Let's go to the backyard. Everyone is working hard to get ready for the feast. Shovel and Pail are picking vegetables for Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper to cook. Can you help us find everything on the list? Can you guess what food Mr. Salt is going to make with pumpkins we picked? Look at all the vegetables we picked together. Do you see anyone else working together to find food? The kitchen smells good. Here's our list for the Thanksgiving stuffing. Will you help Mr. Salt, Mrs. Pepper, and Paprika find the ingredients? Thanks! Mr. Salt already has the vegetables you picked. Can you find everything else he needs? Next, Mrs. Pepper needs the biggest pot and the longest spoon. Can you help Mr. Salt and Paprika find them? Will you help Mr. Salt and Paprika find a lid that matches the pot too? Thanks for helping with the stuffing. You're a great Thanksgiving cook. What do we need to do next, Blue? Help get the table ready. Of course. Blue wants to set up 8 chairs for our friends. How many more does she need? You're right. 3 more chairs. Thanks. Now will you help Slippery and Tickety set the table so it's ready for our Thanksgiving feast? Wow! Where should I put these forks? Which color napkin goes next? Where is Blue going now? Oh, Blue wants to make turkey place cards so our friends will know where to sit. She's making a card for Slippery. Can you help Blue find a pink letter S for Slippery? Thanks for your help. Now we just need to find our thankful book. Can you help us find it? Then we can add the things we're thankful for this year. What are you thankful for? Let's go back outside. Our friends out here are collecting decorations. Can you help Blue gather pine cones to decorate our Thanksgiving table? Blue also wants big red leaves. How many do you see? You found our decorations. Thanks. But where did Blue go? It's time for the feast. Can you find our other friends too? Have a seat. Can you find all the things you helped us do? Thanks so much for helping us with our special feast. Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Blue's Clues stories, check out my Blue's Clues playlist. And if you enjoyed the story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. We'll see you all in the next video.